Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, is an evidence-based therapeutic approach. CBT is an effective tool for modifying thoughts, feelings, and actions. CBT offers practical solutions for individuals experiencing feelings of being overwhelmed. Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, posits that thoughts, feelings, and behaviors are interconnected. Altering one aspect of this triad can influence the others. This interaction leads to positive changes in emotional and behavioral patterns. The CBT triangle illustrates the dynamic interplay between thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. Each element continuously influences the others, forming a feedback loop. This feedback loop significantly affects overall well-being. Thought restructuring involves identifying unhelpful thoughts. The process includes challenging these thoughts to assess their validity. Thought restructuring aims to replace unhelpful thoughts with more balanced and realistic perspectives. A thought log involves documenting situations that trigger strong emotional responses. Thought logs aid in identifying automatic thoughts associated with specific feelings and behaviors. Consistent use of a thought log can improve self-awareness and emotional regulation. Challenging thoughts involves questioning the evidence, both supporting and contradicting them. Distinguishing between objective facts and subjective assumptions is crucial in thought evaluation. Reframing perspectives can be achieved by considering past experiences and their impact on current thoughts. Replacing negative thoughts with balanced thoughts involves adopting more realistic and helpful perspectives. Balanced thinking promotes emotional regulation, leading to calmer feelings. Adopting balanced thoughts facilitates more constructive behaviors. Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, utilizes mood scales to track emotional states. Daily thought record sheets in CBT are used to analyze situations, thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. Cognitive distortion checklists help identify thinking errors within thought patterns, like catastrophizing, overgeneralization, mind reading, predicting future failures. Progress in cognitive behavioral therapy is tracked through weekly check-ins. Monitoring mood improvements, reduction in negative thoughts, and increased helpful behaviors are key indicators of CBT progress. In anxiety-provoking situations, restructuring thoughts involves challenging negative predictions. Adopting a more realistic outlook is a core component of cognitive restructuring. Challenging negative thoughts can help break the cycle of depression. Taking small steps can lead to improved mood and increased motivation. A small step could be just taking a walk for 10 minutes. Breaking the cycle of inactivity and hopelessness is crucial in overcoming depression. Replacing negative self-perceptions with balanced beliefs can improve self-esteem. This involves recognizing personal growth and potential. Balanced beliefs foster a positive self-image and emotional well-being. Integrating cognitive behavioral therapy with mindfulness practices supports emotional regulation. Mindfulness practices include mindful breathing, journaling, sleep hygiene, and routine building. Practicing them consistently is the key to train your brain to learn these as new habits. These combined practices help individuals stay grounded and centered.